Good morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and today's our chapter is chapter number 6, that is line and angle. Okay, and in our previous video we have talked about what is line, what is point. Okay, I think you understand what is point, what is line segment, ray. Then we have talking about what is angles. Okay, and types of angles. Acute angle is less than right angle 90 degree. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Remember, greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Okay, what is acute angle? Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, but what is obtuse angle? Greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is a obtuse angle. What do you mean by straight angle? 180 degree is called straight angle. Okay, and a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Understand? And right angle is always 90 degree. Okay, now angle having a some point, that is vertex and arms. Okay, now what is collinear point? If points are in a same plane and on a one straight line, then that are called collinear point. If a point are same plane and same line. Okay, see, if this type of 3 point are here and if you draw a line, it's called collinear point. It is point A, it's point B, it's point C. It's called collinear point because it having only one line. Okay, and what is non-collinear point? They are not in a one line. It having a one plane. Okay, but it's not in one line. Okay, understand? Now we have talking about acute angle, reflex angle. We have called. Now what is complementary angle? If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then it is called complementary angle. Understand? And if sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. We have already talked about it. Okay, now what do you mean by adjacent angle? Adjacent angle, if the common vertex and common arm are there, if a common vertex and common arm are there, then they are called adjacent angle. Okay, and third condition is a common arm and their non-common arm lies on different side of the common arm. Okay, this is your common arm. See, this is your common arm, this is your vertex, and another two arms is lies on the different side. One is this side and one is this side. So it is called adjacent angle. Understand? So it is called adjacent angle. Now linear pair of angle. What is linear pair? This is called linear pair. If the pair become the addition of 180 degree, then it is called linear pair. Okay, understand what is linear pair? Linear pair become two adjacent angle, means ABD and CBD is called linear pair if the addition of these angles is 180 degree. Okay, understand? And this is your axiom for axiom 1. If a ray stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Okay, if ray on a line, see here, here is one line and the ray on a line, then sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay, and इसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा बेटा? इसका कन्वर्स होगा, अगर सम दो एंगल्स का सम 180 है, देन द नॉन कॉमन आर्म ऑफ द एंगल फ्रॉम अ लाइन. ओके, सो जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म होगी वो हमारी क्या बनाएगी? लाइन बनाएगी. अंडरस्टैंड? सी, these are there are two axioms. First axiom is if a ray stand on a line. अगर वो रे लाइन पर है तो क्या होगा, उसके एंगल्स का सम ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री होगा. बट इफ sum is 180 degree, then non-common arm is a straight line. The non-common arm is straight line. Understand? Now we are talking about vertically opposite angle. What is vertically opposite angle? If two lines intersect each other, then they form 4 angle. They form total 4 angle. Let's name them 1, 2, 3 and 4. So angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 3 and angle 2 is vertically opposite to angle 4. Okay, and always vertically opposite angle is always equal. Understand? Vertically opposite angle is always equal. Understand? This is your axiom. If you want to if you think what is vertically opposite angle, then if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. And angle at a point, if you want to see what is the angle at a point, see this full angle is 360 degree. You know ना, सर्कल ऑलवेज कितने डिग्री का होता है? इट इज़ ऑलवेज ऑफ 360 डिग्री. सम ऑफ एट एंगल is 360 degree. If the angles are, if we sum angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, the sum of angles are 360 degree because it is a circle. Okay, now what is intersecting line and what is parallel line? You know, these are called intersecting line because they intersect each other, because they cut each other at a distinct point. If two distinct lines are drawn in a plane, and then they will intersect each other in a unique point. Okay, it is called intersecting line. Okay, thus two distinct lines drawn in a plane are parallel if only if they are not intersecting. Okay, if they are not intersecting, then they are parallel. Okay, this is called intersecting line and this is called parallel line. Okay, they are not intersecting, then they are parallel, and if they are intersecting, then they are called intersecting line. And if the lines are intersect to each other, then they are form 4 angle, and two pair of vertically opposite angle, and that two pair of opposite angle are equal. Okay, understand? Okay, now we have talking about pairs of angle. Our new topic is pairs of angle, and I will already told you axiom 6.1 is if rays stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angle so formed is 180 degree. Okay, recall that when the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then they are called a linear pair. Okay, so it's a axiom for linear pair. It's called axiom for linear pair. Understand? This type of line, if the sum is 180, see, if the sum is 180, then they are called linear pair. Okay, and if sum is 180, then they form a straight line. Okay, and second one is if the straight line is there, and if you if cut by a ray, then the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, understand? Now see, if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arm of an angle from a line. So obvious reason, the two axioms above together is called linear pair axioms. They are called linear pair axioms. Understand? And we know what is axioms and what is postulate. Axioms and postulate we know. And what do you mean by theorem? Theorem is जिसे हमें प्रूफ करना पड़े. They have to prove by given axioms या by universal truth. We have proved the theorem, but axioms are already universal truth. Okay, now theorem 6.1, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect, see this AB intersected to CD. Okay, in statement above it is given that two lines intersect each other. So let AB and CD be two lines intersected at O as figure 6.8. Okay, they lead to two pair of vertically opposite angle, that is A, which are vertically opposite angle. This is vertically opposite to this angle. Okay, means AOC and BOD, and second pair of vertically opposite angle is AOD and COB. Okay, a BOC. We need to prove these are equal. AOC is equal to BOD and AOD is equal to BOC. And we know axioms, means linear pair axioms. What is linear pair axiom? If there is a one straight line, see, if there is one straight line and this is our straight line, if CD is straight line and we think this is our ray. Okay, so this plus this is equal to 180 degree, means angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. If this is 180 degree and this is also 180 degree. Okay, so see what now OA stand on a line CD, so AOC and AOD is equal to 180 degree because linear pair axioms. And same here, second one. So from 1 and 2 we can write AOC is plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD, and AOD से AOD cancel हो जाएगा because so we have tell them AOC is equal to BOD. Similarly, it can be proved AOD is equal to BOC. So linear pair are always equal. If two lines intersect to each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Understand? Now let's see what type of question you have in this book. Question example number 1 is these two lines, if two lines PQ and RS are intersect to each other at point O, then POR, see where is POR and ROQ. Let's see, POR and ROQ ratio is 5:7, means if here 5 and if here 7. Okay, now let's do, therefore POR is equal to 5 by, अगर मैं बात करूँ इसकी तो हम अगर रेशो में कोई चीज़ लिखते हैं, सी इफ़ दे आर रिटन इन द रेशो, सो व्हाट कैन यू डू, POR हम इसे ऐसा लिख सकते हैं बेटा, अपॉन ROQ इज इक्वल टू 5/7. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. बट नाउ हियर इफ मैं बात करती हूँ लीनियर पेयर की, I go for linear pair. See, this is straight line, this is a line, and this is linear pair. Understand? Just a minute. Okay. Now this is straight line. This is our linear pair. Okay. Then sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Means अगर मैं इसको 5 बोल रही हूँ, इसको मैं 7 बोल रही हूँ, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 + 7. 5 + 7 मीन्स 12. अंडरस्टैंड? 5 + 7 मीन्स 12. एंड ओके, देन व्हाट अबाउट दिस फ्रैक्शन, तो मैं बोलूँगी इसे 5/12 × 180. कहाँ से आया, समझ में आया ये 5/12 × 180? मैंने क्या किया, जो मुझे रेशो दिए हुए थे, which ratio given to me, I have to plus it because they are linear pair. Okay, because they are linear pair, so 5 + 7 is equal to 12. Okay, then 5/12 × 1. So this angle POR is 5/12 × 180, that is 75 degree. We have find this type of this angle because they are linear pair and linear pair is always 180 degree. तो 180 डिग्री में से हमारा 5th पार्ट कौन सा होगा, तो हमें टोटल दिए हैं 5:7. सो हमने क्या किया, उसे 5 + 7, देन 5 + 7 इज इक्वल टू 12. तो 5/12 × 180, that is 75 degree. Understand? नाउ सेम हियर, आपको दूसरा वाला भी फाइंड करना है, तो 7/12 इंटू 180 दैट इज़ 105. सो प्लस इट, 75 प्लस 105 इज इट इज़ 180. यस, इट इज़ 180. ओके, so they are vertically opposite angle, and we know that vertically opposite angles are equal, means this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. Okay, understand this type of question you are facing in this chapter. Now example number 2, see. However, the rays are on straight line. The sum of all angles is 180 degree, because it all having a one straight line, and straight line is always a 180 degree. So sum of these all angles is 180 degree. See, that's it. Okay, so if you want to find x, POS is equal to SX, means this is your x. Which one? This is your x. Okay, this is your x. And find ROT. We have to find ROT. Okay, now POS plus SOQ means, see, if we talk about POS and SOQ, it is sum of this is 180 because they are linear pair. Okay, so POS is equal to x is given, so x plus SOQ is equal to 180, so SOQ is equal to 180 minus x. Okay, now रे OR बाइसेक्ट, OR जो है वो आपका बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. बाइसेक्ट करने का मतलब होता है इक्वली टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना, मीन्स POS को इक्वली टू पार्ट्स में बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. यहाँ पर हमें दिया हुआ है बाइसेक्टर से, इट्स गिवन. ओके, OR and ROT are angle bisector of these two angles. So if they are bisector of these two angles, so ROS is equal to 1/2 POS. Okay, now what is POS? POS is x, so 1/2 x means x/2. So what do you mean by SOT? SOT is again 1/2 of SOQ, means it's bisector of SOQ. So if I talk about SOT, then it is 1/2 of POS. Okay, so POS, so it become a 180 minus x, so 90 minus x/2. Okay, what is your answer? ROT is equal to 90 degree. That's why ROT is equal to 90 degree. So what we do in this question? See, in this question, first of all, we have to think about what is given. Okay, what is given? Given is there are 4 angles and they give 2 angles, 2 rays bisect the 2 angles. Okay, POS को कौन बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है? OR. एंड SOQ को कौन बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है? OT. अंडरस्टैंड? बाइसेक्टर मीन्स इफ सी, अगर बच्चों आपको सारी की सारी डेफिनेशंस याद हैं, what is linear pair, what is supplementary, what is complementary, all the things are combined to this chapter. Okay, if so आपको क्या करना है? आपको पुराना जितना पढ़ा हुआ है ज्योमेट्री का, लाइन, पॉइंट, लाइन सेगमेंट, रे, और जितने भी थ्योरम्स पढ़े हैं वो आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा याद रखना पड़ेगा. आपको जैसे जैसे वो याद रहेगा तो आप उसको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस वेरी इजीली सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, और मैंने आपको यहाँ पर 2 एक्सियम्स बताए हैं, लीनियर पेयर एक्सियम्स, एंड वी हैव डूइंग वन थ्योरम. व्हाट इज़ द थ्योरम? वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. ओके, सो दीज 2 axioms and 1 theorem and the properties of and definitions of all the line segment and point, ray. Okay, so it's help you to do the sums. Okay, now see, if these are bisect करना मतलब equally 2 halves में divide करना. Okay, if they are bisector, then it is divided it into equally 2 halves. Okay, so we have put all the things and we have find the value of angle ROT is equal to 90 degree. Understand? Now if the question is this type, see we have the two type of angle. First is straight angle and another one is 360 degree angle. Okay, if the question is from straight line, अगर आपको straight line के ऊपर ऊपर का क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है तो आप 180 डिग्री वाला यूज़ करेंगे बस. बट दिस टाइप क्वेश्चन, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, सी हियर it's full of, see it's 360 degree, so you have to use 360 degree. Okay, POS means completely POS. जब हम P से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो ये इज इक्वल टू है, सबको प्लस करेंगे हम, POQ प्लस QR प्लस SOR प्लस POS इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. इट्स गिवन ऑलरेडी. ओके, सो what you have to find OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays. Proved that these equal to 360 degree. हमें प्रूव करना है. So first of all what we do, first of all TOP, where is T? Okay, we have extend one more line because here हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर हमें कोई भी स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं दिख रही है. वी डोंट हैव एनी स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी प्रोड्यूस अ टी. सो O produce O to T. Okay, so it's again now TOS plus SOQ, TOS plus SOQ, this one. See, it become a linear pair. Okay, so SOQ is equal to SOR, SOQ. If I talk about SOQ is equal to SOR plus QR. They are mixture of two angles. Okay, now see, TOS plus SOR plus QOR. अगर मैं इसको तीनों एंगल को लिखूँ, दैट इज़ कौन कौन से तीन एंगल हैं? TOS, SOR and ROQ. Understand? Plus is equal to 180 degree. We know that because they are equal to 180 degree. And see, if they are equal to 180 degree, just a minute. See, if they are equal to 180 degree and these are also 180 degree. Okay, these are linear pair, and if we plus them, then 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Okay, so you have to remember all the things. Okay, now see, they are doing this type, then TOP plus TOS is equal to POS, and POS, all the sum of all the angle is 360 degree. because मैंने आपको जैसा बताया ये एक linear pair है अपने आप में, and these are also linear pair, so it become 180 and it's again 180. if we plus sum all the angles, it's become 360 degree. Okay, now exercise 6.1 is your homework. Do it by yourself, and we have to but tomorrow. Okay, understand? but firstly इसके पहले मैं करवाऊँ आपको ये एक्सरसाइज, आपको खुद से इसे ट्राई करना है. ट्राई इट. हैव अ गुड डे.